So I framed this poorly. I don't know why we're doing this, but we're doing this. All right, so quick introduction. I have these beautiful aloe plants, number 1 and number 2 over here. That one's kind of dying. I'm so sorry. Beautiful aloe plants, they need some love. I've been saying it over and over again, they need some love. So I want to repot them. I wasn't quite thinking about how I was gonna repot them, and I probably bought way too many pots. But I got these additional gray ones that are slightly bigger, and these massive green ones. We got 2 camera angles, let's do that. That's a wide angle, so. And then I have this wonderful oregano that is in a shot glass that has seen better days. I don't know who to point it at. We'll start with the good old traditional aloe over here. She's more or less the pride and joy. For this one, I think I just want to repot it in its own original pot. This is a very small pot, and I like that it gives me pups. So if you could see here, there's this main one over here, original aloe, and the little pup that I gave out. Last year it gave me 2. This year it's only giving me 1. I don't know if that bodes well or not, but we shall see. So repot that one in there. We're gonna put the small baby one in the bigger pot. So let's get the dirt open. Hopefully it's enough dirt. We should have done this on the live stream. Damn it, this is the potting mix. We'll get to this later. This is better for like aloe plants and stuff because it drains better from my 20 seconds of Googling and 5 seconds of ChatGPTing. So we're gonna be using this. This is the content you guys wanna see. Nobody knows it, but they wanna see a grown man. Pot is plants. We're running out of sunlight, we better hurry up. I gotta maybe stand, should I stand up? You guys are gonna see my shorts, my legs. All right, I'm just giving it a nice foundation, right? I'm gonna try and be careful here. I'm not trying to cut these in any way. I'm just trying to loosen up the dirt. We'll take out the label that says it's worth $7.98. You know what, shout out to DJP. She got me this aloe years ago. It honestly was on the verge of death, and somehow it decided to stay alive, so here we are. Dude, I don't even think it has roots, dude. It kind of does, it's like formed into one. I remember I've separated these in the past, so we're gonna try and do the same without harming the plants too much. I'm gonna go throw this away somewhere. I got interrupted, we're back. Sun's down, we need to hurry up. Let's wrap this up. Really easy stuff here. This is the bigger plant. I want you to live. I'm gonna take off, look at this. We got some dead stuff here, dude. Gotta go. All right, we're gonna get rid of these old crusty leaves. Clean it up a little bit. There's a little green tip up here, kind of dead right here. I'm kind of tempted just to cut that off. Maybe just the tip. This is, I think, about level, about where I want it. I'm gonna try and put it in here and then just kind of squeeze it together to keep it from falling everywhere. Repotted, look at that. It's so cute. My boy. Pray for my boy. Let's get some plant emojis and prayers in the comments down below. Pray for the boy. All right, next one. The main behemoth guy here. We're gonna put him back into the small one to see if he gives us more pops. We're running out of sun. We're running out of time. All right, no, this guy's really huge. I mean, I think this is still fine and he'll probably give us pups. We're gonna fill this up with dirt as well. Dude, this is active cam. We need to point this at my face. Boing. I'm gonna pick this guy up carefully, gently. I know you like the home. It's just too big for you, dude. You need something a little more your speed. Guys, if you're enjoying the content, let me know down below. Should we do more real life videos? Let's get rid of these dead guys, you know what I'm saying? Be a little gentle. That's gone. What do you have down here? You just need to strip this away. Get rid of that. All that nasty stuff. I know, buddy. I know, buddy. I know, buddy. I don't know. Does this look bad? I'm not a plant expert, dude. I just YouTubed this. His root has really grown down, so I'm gonna try and kind of dig him that deep. You know what I'm saying? Just so he's sitting comfortably on the top. Oh yeah, that looks good. That actually looks really good. Bringing the dirt down. This guy kind of just chills out. I don't think I've ever had this one stay upright. I don't know if it's because I'm doing something wrong. He kind of just sits on the dirt. Like, we can go get him a stick maybe to see if he'll stand up, but These flies know that I'm sweating. They're all up in my face now. Okay, boy, you look, get out of my ears, dude. What are you looking for in there? Fucking flies. Dude, can I put a stick under here? I'm gonna go find a stick. Come with me. By come with me, I mean just listen, because I'm not moving those cameras. This guy has seen better days. It was thriving. Then it fell over. Like, it doesn't support its own weight. I didn't know I was gonna stand this much, but here we are. This guy, we'll put him in the gray, so that way he doesn't feel like he's indifferent, you know what I'm saying? So what I did here, this is actually pretty interesting. Some of the leaves kind of just fell off initially. And I was like, no. So I just actually was like, oh, they look like you can kind of just put them in the dirt. So I did that, just naturally. Dude, they stemmed back up. Right now they're kind of dying, but they stemmed back up, which I was like, holy shit. I didn't think the flies were really gonna come bother me, but look at them. Like, well, don't you got anything better to do? Dude, a whole planet. You can fly anywhere you want. Okay, so I usually give it these little, like, nutrition packet things. I don't know what you call these things. This all looks like dirt, and it looks really, dude, okay, so when I got this, man, guy was just struggling. Trying to really get rid of this nasty dirt, I guess is what I'm trying to get at. Feels like cardboard dirt. You see how that grows off, though? Like, check this out. Look at that. You see how, like, it kind of just grows from itself? That's really cool. You look dead. Yeah, you're very dead. We're gonna get rid of all the nasty crap. Oh, but we can't go too deep with it, because that's like where all of it was out. I don't want to bury it. You know what I'm saying? We should start doing dirt reviews. Maybe we just like go around different areas and I don't know, should we taste? Does tasting dirt sound fun? A wise man once said, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Y'all probably never heard of that quote before. Pretty high level quoting. I just don't know what to do with you, buddy. Like, you don't want to stand up on your own. It was standing before, when it was like up to like, I don't even know, like here-ish. It was standing on its own, and then I feel like it just got top heavy, and I was like, dude, what do you want me to do? You're taking too good care of me. And I'm like, I know, bro, just be like that. At least it doesn't need to lean on another pot. It looks like it's gonna be big enough. Maybe I should like off-plant it, kind of to the side, you know what I'm saying? So that way it can just chill in its own little ecosystem. Let's do that. We're gonna just want the root to really have a base, a solid support. Oh, dude, this dirt feels like butt. Man, okay, I'm gonna be honest, leaning over, dude, I'm old. My lower back is just like, stop. You've been hunched. All right, we're gonna try and replant the little, so this is what I was talking about. These little leaf guys, these are the leaves that fell off. I replant them, and look at that. It's like growing another one of itself. Fucking amazing. You might just do that to these other ones to see if it'll like, you know, like cut it off and be like, dude, your base is dying. You need to just grow. Do what you gotta do to live. Like a nice little foundational base. I should probably rotate to give you guys a better angle. Dude, this video's gonna suck. Yo, if you leave a like down below. Show me some love. I'm trying something new. Dude, I don't think you can hear this. Dude, it's like glass breaking, bro. Worst case, the leaf is gone, like the little base of the leaf, but the stem is still alive. Okay, and there's another leaf over here. Look at this guy, dude. He's all coiled up, like, bro, this dirt, arse. This dirt is arse, bro. How do you expect me to grow with this arse dirt? It's like, dude, I hear you, dude. I think I'm at the point in my life where I can talk about anything for hours. Don't give me a random subject. I'm just gonna talk your ear off. I'm gonna be grandpa who doesn't remember anything but starts talking about everything. Hey guys, I really appreciate you being here for an inner monologue of my thoughts while potting plants. Just look at the dirt comparison. We're gonna re-give it its watering instructions and care. Good stuff. So for this guy, this is a oregano. It looks like it had a couple leaves that were dying on me already. I should have potted this a long time ago. So I bought these clear containers, but you can actually see the roots as they're growing. I thought that was pretty interesting. It's got a mesh at the bottom, I'm assuming, so the dirt doesn't like clog up the drain holes at the bottom. And it's got a base for draining. From my research, reading one paragraph on a gardening website, I believe these are prone to spread. I might have read the wrong thing, dude, if I'm being honest. Because I thought this was mint. I kept saying it was mint and it wasn't mint. And I should have known that from smelling it. We got it a longer container for that reason. Let's try not to spill all the dirt. We actually paid money to have this brought to us. Crazy, huh? And honestly, I'm just thinking about putting it right in the middle, kind of seeing if it does spread, and if it does, and kind of just thrive on its own on the sides, it'd be kind of cool. I'm gonna upload this. If this should have been a live stream, if you made it this far and you're still watching, this weirdo plant a plant while he's sweating Let me know what you enjoyed. I'm thinking that's pretty good. Maybe a little more on the edges. Kind of like tucking those edges, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. There's like a lot of room in the edges. We're gonna get the edges real quick. This thing's roots are like on top of itself, and I'm like, dude, I'm so sorry, dog. And we're gonna make a nice little hole. And I'm gonna be honest, it's probably survived a month in this shot glass. So if it dies, the moment that I put this in here, I'm gonna be honest, it was not meant to be. Dude, I hope you spread. If not, I just bought you the longest fucking horizontal land. I'm pretty proud of what I've done here. Look at this, guys. Look, we got the oregano. I hope it can, hey baby, what you doing? We got pup, one of the pups, one of aloe plant's pups. And then we have OG aloe plant, still thriving and surviving. I'm telling you, this thing was on the verge of death years ago. If I can find the picture, I'll find it and I'll put it in the video. So it's kind of crazy to see that it's still alive. And finally, we have this guy. I don't know what this is. If you know what plant this is, let me know down below. I'm an idiot. I don't know if this is natural. It looks like it has scoliosis, but we don't judge here. Oh, it's a succulent. I mean, what type of succulent? What is your name, dude? All right, guys, if you enjoyed all this BS aloe plant talk, leave a like down below, hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to see these plants, come catch the live streams. That's where you're gonna see them. We stream Tuesdays and Thursdays, playing Dark Souls and other games. We play FromSoft games that make me rage and make me look bad. I hope to see y'all there. Peace.